Hello Cloud Gurus and welcome to this lecture. This lecture is aimed at my students who have already gone on to complete my Certified Solutions Architect Associate course and have got their CSA qualification. If you are a student who has completed the Certified Solutions Architect course, you'll notice in this course there's lots of lectures that are very similar to what was covered in the CSA. In fact, some sections are actually identical to what was covered in the CSA course. And the reason for this is when you do the exam, you'll notice around 50% of the questions from the Certified Solutions Architect exam will be in the Certified Developer exam. So if you have completed the Certified Solutions Architect course and sat the exam, there are some sections in this course that you can skip entirely because they are exact copies of what was in the Certified Solutions Architect course. These sections are Section 2, Section 6, Section 13. There are also some sections in this course that have a lot of the same lectures from the Certified Solutions Architect exam, but then will also have their own unique lectures which are aimed at getting you to pass the Certified Developer section of the exam. So these sections are Section 3, Section 5, and Section 8. All the other sections in this course is completely new content and you will need to watch them in order to guarantee a pass of the Certified Developer Associate exam. So doing these sections for you are optional. If it has been a while since you've done the course or a while since you've passed the exam, then I would recommend doing these sections again just to brush up on your knowledge before sitting the exam, but it's entirely up to you. If you have any questions, please let me know. If not, feel free to move on to the next lecture. Thank you.